Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 crashing after 15 to 20 minutes after you play the game, and I'm going to talk about some of the fixes which you can try out. So let's get started. First you have to search firewall on the search and you have to select this. Then you have to click on inbound rules, then click on new rule, then select program, make sure it is select on the program and go for next. Then you have to browse respective file. You have to click on browse, make it this program path, and you have to select the Red Dead to Redemption to some of the files which you have to select. Now click on launcher.exe and open this. Once after that, go for next, and block, you have to click on block the connection. Go for next, then go for once again next, then write something, a name, RDR2, and once after that go for finish. So in the same way you have to create one more time, which is outbound rules. You have to click on that, go for new rule, then keep it on the program and go for next, and do the same, browse the file, then keep launcher.exe, then open it, then go for next and make sure it is block the connection, it is enabled, and go for next once again. Then write the respective name RDR2, then just go for finish. Then done with this, we have to follow the one more instruction, which is you have to change the date and time. So you have to search control panel. So guys, you have to click on date and time, then change date and time. Now just change the date and time to 2019 January. Just make it on January and select any one of the day and just go for it, and make sure it is on 2019 January, and once after that go for OK. Once done with these two steps, you can just launch the game, and most probably this will be fixing the issue that's all when it comes to how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 is crashing after 15 to 20 minutes of playtime, and this is how it fixes. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this, do ask in the comment sections. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Tips. And if you're for the first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Keep practice social distance and be safe. See you soon in the next video. That's it. Peace out.